Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Twitter account security details, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Twitter app or navigate to the Twitter website on your browser. Log into your Twitter account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, look for the Security and Account Access section. Click on Security. Here, you will find options to manage your security settings. If you want to change your password, select Password from the security options. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. After entering the new password, confirm it by entering it again. Now, click on Save. If you wish to enable two-factor authentication, go back to the Security menu. Find the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to see the available methods for two-factor authentication. You can choose to receive a code via text message or through an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code in the field provided and click Verify. For the authentication app, scan the provided QR code with your app of choice. Follow the app's instructions to complete the setup. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you can add backup codes for extra security. Store these codes in a safe place for future access. To review your account's recent login activity, return to the Security section. Here you can see devices that have accessed your account. If you notice any suspicious activity, you can log out of those devices. To do this, click on Apps and Sessions. From here, you can manage app access and log out from any unwanted sessions. Finally, ensure your email address is updated and secure. Verify your email by checking for any confirmation messages from Twitter. By following these steps, you'll have successfully reset and secured your Twitter account details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.